as you can see here, we started like approaching to the real world of AI, making real people with real features and real actions of normal people. And here was our first video. We did everything with a with Grok at this time. That is a platform where you can do animated videos or images. It's the AI of Elon Musk. At the time was free. Now it you have to pay. It's a really good platform where you can do this kind of results. As you can see, it's not the best quality, but that was because we did not pay the platform. So maybe you pay it could be better. Mm, so right here, we just starting creating this kind of stuff like real. Um, when we start seeing the potential of the AI creating like human real beings and using it to create campaigns for real brands and for real photo shoots and real things that brands already are using it in their content, in their social media, in their way of telling the people what are they doing, their new launches and that kind of stuff, which is this one actually. Is Montclair is a really huge brand that everyone knows. Of course, the products here are not from the brand because at the time we were just using our creativity for create something that this brand could actually do at some point or have already done in his journey and start seeing the potential. We just start to analyze if we need to pay for a new platform. So right here, we just started getting in the world of new platforms like OpenArt, which is a platform where you can have all the softwares of AI just in one place. And actually, this was our first video using OpenArt. As you can see, it's a really good quality and a really good storytelling and everything, but it's not the best quality that we can have actually nowadays. It's actually a mix of Grok and OpenArt. And yes, this was their first uses of actually human and real stuff with AI. A lot of good things, a lot of bad things, but this is it.
As Catalina was saying, this is the start. In this moment, if you notice, we changed from animation for real stuff because we thought animation is amazing. We love animation. The animation from AI, it's amazing. Everything, it's amazing. The problem here was that we were looking for a much faster business. Why? Because with animation you can do money, of course. The problem here was that we were looking for faster way to make money. So we think every brand, every people, everything in this world today is making content, because if you are not like inside the digital era, you are going to lose this industry, this moment. So everybody knows it, and everybody use content for their brand, for selling, for the perception of the brands. So we start in this point looking, okay, for what type of brands we can use AI. So this was our first experimentation, because obviously this wasn't paid. Obviously, this is only for us, for our portfolio. Start looking for real people. I mean, in this moment, you can be like in shock, because this is completely all, as I tell you in the beginning of the presentation, all that you are seeing in this moment is completely do it with AI. So look at this. This is our first steps, for example, but it's amazing what AI can do. For example, obviously compared to our work in this moment, it could be better, but in the moment, I mean, actually today, this you can this are it is AI, but who is going to tell me no, this is not real humans? The shadows, the skin, the texture, the basic. For example, in this case, this was for a brand that is like for sports, for paddle clothing. This is a real product for the brand. Is a complete real. Put it in AI models, the textures, everything is completely AI, but because we attach the cloth we want to do for the campaign. So that was our beginning. All that you see here are our portfolio, where we start like looking for making something that people and brands could pay in this moment more than animation, for example. All these images that you just see in this was the mix of, as Kata says, open art, that is like a platform for professionals in AI that have all the softwares for make images and also video. But in this moment, this is a mix with Grok, that in that moment it was completely free. Unfortunately, in this moment, Grok, you have to pay it. But there are a lot of free platforms that can help you, like in a beginning way. Why a beginning way? Because if you really want to make a business with AI and you believe in it, you have to obviously invest a little in softwares, in that type of things. We are going to obviously in going to talk about platforms and that thing. Until this moment, look, this obviously was part of. For example, Movifa is a brand. We haven't worked with them, but for practicing, for making portfolio, for start looking for this type of results, we use different brands for practice our abilities, and this was the result. As I told you, who can tell me that this is not human, that this is not a real person? Is a photo shoot that can be do it now. What are the potential of the AI? This was do it in our room with our computer and with a prompt and a creative way to do it. Unfortunately, this is not a model that was paid. We don't use a photographer. We don't use the production of, let's go to a tennis court and make the photo shoot there. We doesn't do anything of that. And part of our portfolio, as I told you, was start making things like the one you are looking at, when we start making free campaign for different type of clients, for we to start knowing more about the AI, for start looking if our abilities were update for the different type of brands and the look, this is we also start looking not just for clothes. We use food, we use product.